So I'm going to show you some more examples of how you could use GPT with Leonardo AI to generate some game assets. One of the models that I'm going to use is called RPG-4. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to provide a prompt. This is some work that I was doing with Leonardo earlier in the day, so I'm just going to use the same chat. And I'm going to prompt it. I'm going to say, hey, I'd like to use a completely different model of Leonardo AI than the one I was just using. And I'm going to describe the model and then give it some example prompts of this model. So the way I did that is we go down here and you click on something, you can get the prompt details. And what I did is I just fed those in to just give it some sort of idea of how to describe a prompt for this type of model. And so from there, what we're going to do is then move to say, okay, how can we get 20 new characters based on the game Red Dead Redemption 2? I'm going to say, hey, I want you to create some character concepts based off that game and then develop prompts that would show these characters in the style of that game. Give me the character ideas and the prompts together so I can pass them to Leonardo AI. So that's basically the entire prompt. I'm going to go in here and say generate with this model. I'm going to see what sort of stuff we're getting.